And I believe collectively as a group, we're going to kick the competition's butt because we understand how important it is to think, execute, and dominate.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Work. Well, we have a lot of returning players from last year, so we probably have 6 returning players with varsity experience, and we have a few new kids to our program, so I'm looking for a good year. Nothing's ever handed to you, so we have to remain healthy, and we're going to have to keep improving throughout the year, but I'm looking for a good season.
I heard he stole my swag, but I don't want it back. I was on this, but now I'm on to that. You see it in my closet for it's on the rack. Was out there in Hawaii, now I'm going back. I got so much money, I should...
Hi, I'm Isabel Fleming. I'm captain of the girls basketball team.
Hi, I'm Olivia Williams.
Hi, I'm Ryan Whitfield.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne Carter, and I'm a senior captain.
I think this year we have a great chance of going to state.
I feel like it's definitely possible. We have one more game every year in sections, so senior year we're going to finish it off.
I think with a lot of experience under our belt, we'll have a lot more wins than we have in the past.
Way back to sections against Waconia and then ultimately leading to Cooper once again. And this year I think we'll be better prepared and just ready to go and win the game.
Because we're a really experienced team with 4 senior starters and 1 junior, so we're going to use our experience to our advantage to run other teams and to outsmart them.
It's going to be a good season.
Work hard, play hard,
Pop your pretty and whip up in this car. Plus I'm out this world, girl, you know I'm a star. Used to buy rounds, but now we buy the bar. Last year they had to ask, now they know who we are. Boss tip, walk in the building, I own it. Can tell by who I'm on the phone with. Yeah, young and talk about grown biz. Many too busy jacking my swag. Need to mess around, get your own fit. Get your own cars, get your own clothes, get your own chick. You ain't rapping my game, get your own click. The bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm throwing mine, 'cause my